Hello and welcome to our channel. This is our handy and very basic guide to stretching types. I am your guide, Barrett Longcar, licensed massage therapist and certified yoga therapist. Stretching can be an important part of your complementary healthcare, but it's important to know which kind of stretching is best for you and your needs. Let's look at static stretching. Static stretching is stationary. It has long holds and it's often held for 30 seconds or longer. This type of stretching feels good, and it's what most people associate with your traditional stretching. It's also a great beginner activity. Now let's look at dynamic stretching. Dynamic stretching is an active form of stretching that involves controlled, repetitive movements. It's often associated with warm-ups for workouts, and it helps loosen your muscles. It usually is targeting several muscles at once rather than one muscle, and is not held for long periods of time. Ballistic stretching is a type of stretching that involves bouncing in and out of a stretched position and using the momentum from your body to force it beyond its normal range. Ballistic stretching is often associated with training, and it's not really a beginner activity. Lastly, let's look at PNF stretching. PNF stands for proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. This is a technique that involves stretching and contracting muscles to improve flexibility, range of motion, and strength. It's often associated with training and recovery and treatment programs. In this video, you can see how I use the band to create a resisted contraction so that I can get deeper into the stretch. The stretching technique that you choose will greatly depend on what your needs are and what feels best for you. We hope you've enjoyed this segment.